The more you know about Allah Azza wa Jal, the more you know what out of this world in terms of characteristics and His name and His attributes, what He's capable of doing, what He did in the past. The more you read the stories in the Qur'an, the miracles, the more you fear Allah Azza wa Jal, and the more you want to submit to Him. So the more disciplined you become, because you want to please Him, and He is your master, He is your Lord. And as well, Allah Azza wa Jal, He tells us in the Qur'an in Surah Fatir, He says, إِنَّمَا يَخْشَى اللَّهَ مِنْ عِبَادِهِ الْعُلَمَاء, that rather the only ones and who truly fear Allah Azza wa Jal of His servants are al-ulama, the scholars. Al-ulama coming from the verbal noun in the Arabic language, ilm, knowledge, ulama. Allah says only those who truly fear Allah among His servants are the scholars. Those who truly fear Allah Azza wa Jal are the scholars. Now, what makes the scholars different from the other people in this world is their knowledge. So the more knowledge you gain, the more you fear Allah Azza wa Jal. And Allah Azza wa Jal, again, I really want to emphasize on this ayah, only those who truly fear Allah among His servants are the scholars. Only those who truly fear Allah among His servants are the scholars. Surah Fatir 35:28. And so the more knowledge you have, the more you fear Allah Azza wa Jal. It just only makes sense. And the more you fear Allah Azza wa Jal, the more you become disciplined. Because most of the things that hurt yourself, Allah Azza wa Jal already prohibited them, or dhammaha, or He has looked or spoken about in a negative way in the Qur'an anyways. Like it's not good for you anyways. So the more knowledge you have, the more self-control you have, self-discipline, the more you have of a better judgment, because your judgment will align with Allah Azza wa Jal, with Allah Azza wa Jal will, with what He wants you to do. And the more you will have a sense of guilt when doing unproductive things. This is why Allah Azza wa Jal says in the Qur'an, Ya Yahya, خُذِ الْكِتَابَ بِقُوَّةٍ وَآتَيْنَاهُ الْحُكْمَ صَبِيًّا. He says, Oh Yahya, take this book with strength, what was revealed to him. And آتَيْنَاهُ, and we gave him a sound judgment while still a boy. Meaning he became mature, he had a sound judgment, he thinks like a man, like a stoic, responsible man when he was a child, when he was a boy, because he took this book with strength. So